Is this an error with Microsoft application itself, or has somebody got a solution? If you know how to fix this, please add it to the comment field. Here's a very useful formula for checking that no times overlap. So from 12 o'clock till 12:15 does not overlap with 12:15 till 12:30, and so on. And the formula is using some product and just checking that these times don't overlap. So I don't have a problem. This is a wonderful formula to use. In fact, I've extended it to include dates and time, people, so that you can verify if you're allocating time to workers, none of them have double booked. But to put the test data in, if you autofill, you will suddenly see this is incorrectly failing, saying there are overlaps. 1 till 1:15 does not clash with 1:15 till 1:30, so you get these true events. So I'm thinking this is a issue with Microsoft's autofill. Over here I've got another formula just creating the same time using a different formula. And if I copy this and paste it in 1, 2, 3, which is values only, you'll see that this formula now works 100%. So it only fails if you use autofill. So let's just go back to autofill again and get it to fail, and I can see where the problem is. So there we go, I've autofilled, and now this formula is incorrectly stating there are overlaps. If I just unhide the row here, you can see it's 18 decimal places down. So that 3 there is a 4 there, 18 decimal points down, which obviously isn't there when you use a formula to create those numbers. So 18 decimal places down. Is this an error with Excel? I think so. Autofill should just fill based on the previous values above. So anyway, comments on, is this a incorrect failing of the formula based on that